Today, I want to discuss with you the procedure of buying a already established company in Cyprus and what points you need to consider when doing so. On many occasions, some clients choose to buy an already established Cypriot company for various reasons, such as already opened bank account, existing transaction history, or already established VAT history for them, as an example. Or sometimes they may be interested in buying a company if it has an immigration license to issue visas for its employees. However, when buying a ready-made company, you're not just transferring the shares into your name, you're transferring the whole ownership and already established structure into your hands, which may include sometimes debts, tax liabilities, or some other hidden costs. A comprehensive legal and tax due diligence is mandatory when buying a company in Cyprus. That may include certificates of incorporation, memorandum and articles of association, certificate of directors, secretaries, etc. We need to see the full history of the company since the beginning when it was established until the moment when we're going to be buying it. And we need to check for any beneficiary changes and amendments, any share transfers, any guarantees that have been issued by the company, and other important factors. Regulators and banks always look behind the company structure to see who the real owner of the company is. Verification of the UBO includes the following steps. Check the accuracy of the UBO register. Check for any existing nominee agreements or any trusts existing on the company. A hidden beneficiary in the history of the company may make it challenging to pass the bank's compliance or any other regulatory compliance. Having an already opened bank account today does not guarantee that it's going to keep working tomorrow. You must verify with the bank that the company has undergone all the necessary KYC checks and compliance and will be working after you buy it. We need to check and analyze any bank statements. We need to contact the banker to get an update regarding the good standing of the company with the bank. And you must bear in mind that after you buy the company, the bank will make additional checks for you as a new owner to pass the compliance and have the company bank account up and running again. Taxes. We need to check whether there are any tax liabilities, VAT issues, or other financial taxation questions that may exist on the company. We need to check the corporate tax, GESI, VAT payments and everything, and verify that everything is up to date. Usually we check the filed declarations for the last 3 to 5 years. Dormant companies, which haven't been used for a while, often accumulate additional liabilities and fines because they haven't usually been dealt with. A thorough analysis of the existing accounting documentation is always required. When buying a new company in Cyprus, you must already choose who is going to be your new accountant and auditor, and they must also conduct their own compliance checks to verify everything before giving you a green light to move with the purchase. This is usually on your lawyers to check. We ask for any contracts that have been signed off by the company, by its employees, directors, etc. to verify which liabilities fall on the company. Litigation risks. We always conduct litigation check for any existing lawsuits or arbitrations on the company or any ongoing disputes that may exist with tax authorities or other companies. New claims can sometimes arise after the purchase has been completed, and if no proper checks have been conducted, this will be a surprise to you. So, as a summary, buying a ready-made company in Cyprus is not a bad decision. It just requires additional preparations and checks, and it's very important to have them conducted by professionals, by your lawyers, your accountants, and your auditors. Our team specializes in managing acquisitions of companies and can assist you in these matters. You can book a consultation via visiting our website, following the link below. And if you have any questions, we'll be happy to help.